This product is designed according to ergonomics and feels comfortable. Easy to operate mini chamfering machine. On the same workpiece, chamfering of different angles such as right angle, curved angle, inner angle, outer angle, special shaped angle, etc. Chamfer size, C0.1, 1.5 or R 1.5. Loosen the screws on both sides. Make the disc rotate. Rotate clockwise to increase the amount of chamfering. Rotate counterclockwise to decrease the amount of chamfer. Adjust to desired size according to scale. Retighten the fixing screws on both sides of the disc. Add 3 to 5 drops of pneumatic special oil to the tail before use. Access trachea. Press and hold to start idling to lubricate the machine. Drain excess oil. The intake gear can be adjusted as needed. Air pressure and speed adjustment. The disc nose bearing is close to the desired chamfered workpiece plane. Press and hold the launch pad. Chamfer the chamfer by slowly advancing as indicated by the circular arrow. Blade replacement. Loosen the disc fixing screw first. Rotate clockwise to remove the disc. Blade replacement with special knife removal wrench. Rotate the disc and put it back. Tighten the fixing screws on both sides of the disc.